The cat.
That's some bullshit.
Shut up, you fat bitch. What are you gonna do? Cry about it? You go cry about it, you stupid fucking bitch. How about you just go kill
All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. Yo, what is your problem? Tell me what's the problem.
You said forever, now I drive alone past your street.
Everything Mother Earth says.
Uh-oh.
What?
People.
Oh no, people.
Check it out. Vibe it. Really, really dig on it. And then, remember that feeling.
Hello? Oh, I'm late. I am so sorry. I'm gonna take a seat. Whew, girl, it's hot in here. Well, it's a lot hotter where she's going. Get it? Because she's going to hell. Are those my earrings? They are. You are not burying her with my earrings. I'm gonna need those after this funeral. You know what? This is my fault. This is not what I meant when I told her to kill it at her interview. She dead now. Honestly, if you ask me, I think her husband killed her. Yes, I'm talking to you, Jerry. I be watching Criminal Minds. I know how that works. I am so dead. Oh, well, not as dead as her. Shh. Shh. You don't want making all the noise, shushing everybody. Sis, I don't know why you are crying, because she didn't even like you, okay? Who invited you? Who invited her? She probably just pranking us right now. Hey, Felicia! Wake up, girl! Oh, no. She for real dead.
What?
You're a fucking idiot, nigga.
I'm just one every.
Yo, point your shit, do it that way, bro.
I'm not doing nothing.
You can't just magically make me feel better.
Yes, I can. That's literally.
What am I supposed? I mean, how am I gonna? I can't even. There's nothing left for me. Ah!
I need you to calm down.
No, I can't. Oh! All right, wake up. We're home.
They're there.
Did I study? Hell nah. Am I going to study? Hell nah. Am I going to fail? Fuck yeah!